Make sure you do. Very good. I didn't actually try it, but.
Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be making lemon blueberry bread. I love lemons and blueberries. Those are just like the best combination ever. So what you'll need will be flour, baking powder, granulated sugar, lemon zest, vegetable oil, lemon juice, milk, and vanilla extract, and blueberries. I'm keeping the blueberries in the fridge right now just so that they stay like cold and fresh. So I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below if you guys want to follow along. First, what you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then grease a 9x5 loaf pan, just cooking spread. And then, I guess, third, what you want to do is combine all your dry ingredients. So, we're counting the lemon zest as wet for some reason. I don't know. So, flour, baking powder, granulated sugar. And then just whisk that together. Oh my god, I totally forgot. You also need an egg. So, don't forget that. So then, you're going to combine your wet ingredients. So, milk, vanilla extract, lemon juice, lemon zest, vegetable oil, and the egg. I'm just gonna wash these really quick. And let's see. Okay. So, I don't know, let's see the size. Got a 1 pint of blueberries, so do 2/3 of that. Pour 2/3 into the batter, and then just leave the other 2/3. We will still use them, but I just want to leave them out. Okay, that's about it. And then fold them in. Okay, I'm just going to go grab the pan, and I'll be right back.
This is the best YouTube channel ever! Watch it, watch it, watch it. Make sure you do. Very good. I didn't actually try it, but.
Okay, so I spread that, and now we're just going to pour all this into the pan. Now you're just going to put this in the oven for 55 minutes. Okay, I'll see you guys when it's time to make the lemon glaze.
Blueberries. They're good. They're good. Can I tell you that? But they're not as good as plain blueberries unless you add a few of these. Yeah, you know what they're called. Take them, drop them in there. They don't look the same, do they? But so I'm gonna ask you, what are you eating? I'm eating blueberries.
Okay, so now we're going to make the lemon glaze. I have powdered sugar and lemon juice. Again, I'll put all the ingredients and the measurements in the description down below. if you guys want to follow along. I also have a tiny little whisk. That has about 13 minutes left. But what you're going to do is you're going to pour, I'm going to start with half in here. And then just whisk that. And just keep adding lemon juice until the consistency that you want. You've reached the consistency that you want. You want it to be thick, but not like too thick that you can't pour it. But if it's too runny, you should add more sugar. Perfect. Okay. Now this has 10 minutes left, and I'll see you guys when it is all done. Okay, this just finished. Scoop. I need this.
I just ate a hot pepper. I need your milk.
Okay, let's test this.
You knew it was gonna be hot.
Alright, I'll try cruel. Actually, aren't I amazing? Okay. So that actually, I don't know. It looks good. Okay, so that's all done. Now we're just going to let this sit for 5 minutes, and then we'll put the glaze on. Okay, now it's time to put the glaze on. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, then we just let this sit in the pan for about 15 more minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!